Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing your aim. Pick a field, article type, language, and date range, then open Pubmed. Use keywords plus me sh terms for precision, combine them with and/or not to focus results. Once done, switch to advanced search to construct and preview compound queries and to save search history. Make sure to apply immediate filters for article type and dates so the first results are relevant. This reduces noise and speeds later steps. Next, verify indexing at the record level. Open promising articles and inspect the journal title line and NLM catalog link to confirm Pubmed indexing. Use filters, journal categories, free full text, and date limits to shrink lists. This helps you spot index journals faster. Export citations to CSV or a citation manager to batch check publisher details and ISIN. Once you have a short list, compare journal titles with. To finish, confirm each journal by matching ISIN and NLM catalog records to ensure it is Pubmed indexed continuously. Add notes. Indexing start year, scope, and any embargoes. If a journal's status is unclear, contact the editorial office or consult the publisher's indexing statement. If you run into sparse results, refine me sh terms, broaden the date range, or search the publisher portal directly. One tip: inconsistent journal names often mask indexing. Use ISIN to resolve those mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.